New apron! We need some Kapia or red bell peppers for this. Keep in mind that your sauce will taste as good as your peppers, so try to find some sweet ones. I recommend using red bell peppers instead of Kapia to be sure you get good ones. Remove their seeds and the white part. Now remove the skin of some onions and cut them in 4. Have a parchment paper in a pan and transfer your veggies to it. In a bowl, we're gonna add some milk and add breadcrumbs to it. Give it a mix with a tiny whisk. We're gonna do this to keep some moisture into the meatballs, but you can skip it if you don't want this method. In another bowl, have some ground chicken, add some fresh parsley to it, dry basil, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, chili powder if you want some spice, and salt. Now give them a mix to combine things around for a little and then add your breadcrumb mixture. Mix this really good until it combines. Now I'm gonna use the same baking pan as for veggies. Form your meatballs and to be easier, wet your hands. These are between 40 and 50 grams. Cook all this with fan on at 180 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes the veggies should be done. Then you're gonna need 5-10 more minutes for the meatballs. You should turn them around in the pan. Now to make the sauce, we're gonna need a blender. Add tomato sauce, garlic, onion and your peppers. Add some sugar, smoked paprika, oregano, basil, salt and pepper. Also add around 100 ml of water. Turn it on and transfer it to a pot. Let it simmer for around 15-20 minutes. Meanwhile, add some water to boil and when it boils, add your pasta to it. Read your package, it should take you between 8 and 10 minutes to boil your pasta. Now this is ready. Add meatballs and pasta to the sauce, give them a nice mix to coat everything and add them to a plate. I added some nice cheddar and parsley on top and it's ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and if you did, please consider leaving a like, subscribe and hit the bell for more as I post every week. See you next time.